You are the ones who told me of some very important equation called the portfolio equation. Remember, portfolio equation uses standard deviation. This one here uses standard deviation to measure risk. It uses standard deviation to measure what here? To measure risk. And that is why we said that our returns of the portfolio will always be equal to risk-free plus expected returns of the market minus risk-free multiplied by standard deviation of the portfolio all over standard deviation of what here? The market. This is what we call the portfolio equation, and I don't mind you guys writing this down, and then if possible, please come and highlight this. And then now I'll be able to introduce below here something that is even more important compared to the portfolio equation. I'll be able to introduce what we call the CAPM returns, but this time around I'll call it CAPM returns of a security. So CAPM returns of a security, ladies and gentlemen, will take everything just like what we have here. So we shall be talking of returns over the risk-free asset. So risk-free asset plus the risk premium plus the risk premium plus the risk premium, which is ERM minus risk-free, multiplied by, can somebody tell me what to use outside here if it's CAPM? Beta, because CAPM uses systematic risk. Systematic risk is measured using beta, and that is why here I'll come just like here. I'll talk of beta of a security all over beta of the market. Beta of a security all over beta of the market. For CAPM, we like using security because CAPM can be used in this case to also evaluate individual securities. CAPM can be used to evaluate securities, including what here, when those securities are combined together to give us a portfolio.